Hey everyone! Finally, the wait is over. Apple has introduced iOS 18 at WWDC 2024, and it's packed with exciting new features and updates that will transform your iPhone experience. From a redesigned home screen to the innovative AI-powered Apple Intelligence, iOS 18 promises to take things to a whole new level. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 new features of iOS 18 that you should check out right now. Let's see what's in store for you with this exciting new update from Apple. Apple Intelligence. iOS 18 introduces Apple Intelligence, an AI-driven personal assistant. This feature uses generative AI models to assess personal context and provide more helpful answers when sending texts, searching for images, and more. Siri becomes smarter and better at multitasking, can generate images, summarize long text, and sort and prioritize notifications. Enhanced Photos app. The Photos app in iOS 18 is smarter and more powerful. It uses AI to automatically organize your photos into collections like recent days, trips, and people pets. You can pin collections for quick access. The app shows daily highlights of the best pictures in a poster-like view. Customizable home screen. iOS 18's home screen offers more customization options. You can move app icons and apply a color theme across the app grid. The control center is updated for customizable layouts and quick access controls. You can even change shortcut controls on the lock screen. Lock and hide apps. You can now hide and lock apps in a separate folder, accessible only with a passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID. Locked apps won't show up in searches or alerts, keeping them private. Revamped Messages app. The Messages app now has animated effects, a full range of emojis and stickers with tap back, and a send later feature to schedule messages. It also supports messaging via satellite and RCS messaging for read receipts with non-iMessage users. Tap to Cash on iPhone. Tap to Cash allows quick in-person payments without exchanging phone numbers or email addresses. Authenticate with Face Idaho and bring your device near the recipient's iPhone. New Notes features. The Notes app now allows audio recordings within Notes with auto-transcriptions. The Math Note feature from iPadOS is available on iPhone, providing instant solutions to typed expressions. Game Mode in iOS 18. Game Mode suppresses background activities for extended high frame rate gameplay, reduces audio latency, and makes wireless gaming controllers more responsive. Improved privacy controls and new Passwords app. iOS 18 allows sharing specific contacts with apps and includes a new Passwords app for securely storing passwords, verifications, and security warnings. Autofill uploads passwords to the Passwords app, syncing them across devices. New accessibility features. iOS 18 introduces several new accessibility features, including eye tracking for operating an iPhone with your eyes and music haptics for people who are hard of hearing or deaf. For more details, refer to our guide on iOS 18 accessibility features. That's a wrap on the top new features in iOS 18. With all these exciting updates, Apple is truly taking the iPhone experience to the next level. Be sure to update your device when iOS 18 is available and explore all these amazing features yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Let us know in the comments which iOS 18 feature you're most excited about. See you in the next video.